Whoa, what's up guys? This is the Kodra and it's the very first video of my coding channel. Today in this video we're gonna learn how to code with Python. Basic Python, how to code hello world. To do that you have to first download the Python app. We are working in Android phone, so those guys who thinks that programming only possible in a computer, those are wrong. Programming also can be doing in mobile phones like Android. So you have to download Pydroid 3. You can get it from the Play Store, Google Play Store. And next you have to open the app and simply you have to write print bracket quotation hello world, HELLOWORLD, hello world, and that's it. You have to tap it into the yellow bar, and here's the app says program finished. If you have done this with me, you have successfully completed a code in writing hello world. So Python is not that hard. In this YouTube channel, I may be teaching you Python, basic Python. Next we maybe go to some extreme Python. So click the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it, and put a comment below. And this is the very first video, so forgive my mistakes and subscribe me